What's up? Good morning in Accra, Ghana. It's the noise. It's the view. This is like the new Accra. They're just developing this area. So they're building all these houses so you can see because it's a new area. A couple of years it'll be like a full-blown city. But right now they're just building. As you can see, just a view of the mountains. There's a beach right there, but you can't see it. My favorite 5G tower. This tower never leaves my sight. Yeah, there's no internet though, which is the weird thing. It's very hard to get internet here and running water. I don't understand this, but it's 2025 and running water is still hard. It's the workers. See, they're all working hard, building all these houses for people that live in the States and in Canada. Because they're the only people that can afford this area. Hot. I don't know how these guys do it. So you gotta look at. I'm gonna show you the compound I'm staying at. This is the side here. It's my auntie's house in Accra. My auntie slash mama. This is the balcony. This is me all the way in there. See? Got a break. This is gonna be like a gorgeous area in like a year or two when they're done building and all the roads are fixed. As you can see, all the houses are top notch, like mansions being built. And it's only like a few guys building it. Eh? That's the neighbor's house. Let's see. So, welcome to Accra.